everyone, welcome to Yopedia and this is Shikha. So friends, if MSS India is also visiting your campuses for the placement, so this particular video is going to help you out for your interview preparation. As I'm going to talk about MSS India in detail, talking about management, mission, vision, product, services and most important HR questions, right? So stay with me till the end of this video and it's going to be very helpful for your interview cracking. I would say that there are a lot of series of different companies. If those companies are also visiting in your campuses, you can just watch out the video and you can have the access of documentation from Yopedia panel. Let's get started related to for MSS basically. This is MSS India Private Limited, जो कि एक manufacturer and exporter of copper है. That has been established in 1998 and this is in Nasik, Maharashtra, India, right? As it is present globally as well, but this is head office is in India, Maharashtra, Nasik, and as this is established in 1998, it's wholly owned subsidiary of MSS Group of Companies UK. जो UK में कंपनी है बेसिकली उस ग्रुप की एक सब्सिडरी है MSS Private Limited which is dealing with the copper electrical industry. ठीक है, it's a 100% export oriented unit manufacturing switch gears components for the power industry, DC bus bar system and battery accessories. These are the main components and products of this particular company, MSS Private Limited. अब इसके MSS India has 4 manufacturing plants in India. इसके 4 manufacturing India में plant है, rest is in the global level. So first one is this unit H111, ठीक है? Then it comes to unit H8, then it unit B14 and unit H8/1, ठीक है? These are the 4 manufacturing plants of MSS India. Now these are the warehouses in USA, UK and Europe along with this ये पूरा address given है इसका. Then it comes to management team. This is something very important. You must aware about that who is the operational manager, who is the director, who is the CEO. So ये सब आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए. This is something going to be help you out to know more about this company. Now this is Mangesh Natal, this is Operation Director, MSS India Private Limited. Then is Lawrence Whelan, that is Export Sales Director. And this is Anand Shivadas Daga, that is Non-Executive Director, MSS India. Okay? This is about the management team. Talking about the head office, we have just discussed that is इसका जो head office है that is located in MIDC area Ambat, Nashik, Maharashtra, India. ठीक है? Very important HR or very question or very important interview question basically they used to be asked about you. What is the mission and vision of this particular company? And you must aware about this, okay, that on which particular current objective they are working and what they are planning for their future working, okay. Vision is to long term planning, I can say. So this is to committed to being in industry leader in supplying products and services that support energy transition, okay, innovative value added solutions to flawless startup. Then it comes to mission. Then I can say it out, this is to be recognized as a preferred partner in advancing in electrification of world. Okay? This is the mission and vision. Very important another part, they will definitely ask you that what do you know about the products and services of MSS India which it is offering basically. So yes, you need to be aware about the products and services. Major components, switch gear components, bus bars आ जाता है जिसमें copper braids, laminated flexibles, assemblies, 3D rods, ठीक है, machine parts, press parts, hot forging, ठीक है. Then industrial battery accessories में आ जाता है cable connectors, copper rigid connectors, plastic components, plastic headed boards, traction cell pillars, brass machine parts, ठीक है. These are the main components. Then आ जाते हैं DC bus bar system में क्या आता है, design and manufacturing and installation supervision. Then precision machinery services क्या है, वो products थे, अब ये services क्या है. CNC and VMC machining है, ठीक है. Then CAD and CM integration इनकी services है. Then it comes to renewable energy solutions, ठीक है. Wind energy component, design and manufacture of specific solution जो कि rotor and stator connector जो wind generator के साथ attach होते हैं. This is about the products and services. Industry sector served, ठीक है. ये कौन कौन से इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर को बेसिकली सर्व करता है. इट इज बेसिकली एनर्जी ट्रांजिशन इनिशिएटिव it has been taking and this is applicable to several I can say that sectors, that is power distribution, wind energy, electric vehicles, solar energy. ठीक है, these four are very important. You need to be aware about that. And what are the export and import activities of MSS India? As this is a MSS group of companies, and this MSS group MSS India Private Limited is the subsidiary of that. ठीक है, so वो globally भी present है. Accordingly we need to be aware कि उसका export और import क्या है. Export है basically, it has numerous export shipment supplying products such as anchor rods and antenna springs. ठीक है, import क्या है, anchor fasteners and analog input modules. ठीक है, this is for the manufacturing process. This is export and import, you need to be aware. ठीक है, then it is quality management system approvals क्या है, MSS is certified for this. Occupational health and safety management system, environmental management, quality management standard, then automotive quality management system standard, information technology, security, and that social responsibility guidelines. So in सब के लिए that is quality measures of MSS India. ठीक है, quality assurance जो है system in MSS is primarily concerned with ensuring customer satisfaction. When we talk about कि what do you know about the core values and the environment of MSS India Private Limited, आपको उसके बारे में क्या पता है, आप हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आ रहे हो, so what do you know about the core values of that. ठीक है, वहां पे बेसिकली you need to be aware about this कि वो कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन उसकी अप्रोच है, and this is spectrometer for chemical analysis, 2 SRF XRF double layers planting thickness tester, conductivity, micro hardness testing, roughness, ये सारा उनका बेसिकली काम है, you can say. ठीक है, then it comes to main competitors कौन कौन से हैं. ठीक है, सैफ हॉलैंड. ठीक है, अब ये इसका मेन एक कॉम्पिटिटर है जो कि हेडक्वार्टर इन बेस्टमेंट जर्मनी, राइट. देन इट्स Jamna Auto Industries. This is the second main competitor, that is in Delhi. It has been founded in 1954. Then it's Gabriel India. This is an I can say it out manufacturer of ride control products. Then it comes to Healthy India Private Limited. ठीक है, then it comes to Skoda Auto Volkswagen India Private Limited. ठीक है, then it comes Mitsumi India Private Limited. And then Hero MotoCorp Limited. These are the 7 main competitors of MSS India Private Limited. Financial performance, although it's not very important to memorize this कि कितना profit कितना loss हुआ है, but yes, you should have an idea about that. ठीक है, you should have a good idea about that, that how much profit is there or how much, you know, revenue कितना है, profitability, recent projects by MSS India Private Limited. This is something very very important. ठीक है, they will definitely ask you about the recent projects, current projects, that is expansion of DC bus bar production facility, then establishment of special project division. ठीक है, then it comes to participation in Middle East Energy Exhibition and collaboration with educational institutions. CSR initiatives, what are the CSR initiatives basically? Yes, they are focusing on supporting employees and its local communities. ठीक है, and yes, they are providing financial during critical situations such as children's education, medical expenses and unexpected needs. Very important, why you need to be joined or why you want to join MSS India Private Limited as an engineer. ठीक है, आप क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो और क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. Strong industry reputation, yes, undoubtedly. Then exciting engineering opportunities are there. You can talk about e-vehicles. ठीक है, then DC bus bar production, if you had that is R&D, of course, project division allows engineers to engage high level research and development, learning and career growth. Then competitive salary and benefits. See, this point, competitive salary and benefits, we are not supposed to give it on the very higher basis. Just give that point on the minimal basis. ठीक है, never eradicate your salary or like that. Commitment to innovation, that you can talk about. Global exposure and growth prospects, yes, that is something very very important. Now, very important part, generic HR question. Now, generic HR question, basically I can say it out starting with your brief introduction. Please introduce yourself, then talk about your hobbies and interests, strengths and weaknesses, what do you know about MSS India Private Limited, what do you know about the MSS group of companies, right? And what about the main products and services? I can say who is the chairman, who is the managing director. These can be the generic question. The multiple tasks are there and you have been prioritized one, then what will you do? These are the generic question. Why do you want to work at MSS India Private Limited? We have just discussed the answer. Okay. What do you know about the company and its recent projects? Okay. Why should we hire you? And can you describe a time when you have worked in a complete team and you have to complete your project? Conflict कैसे आप manage करेंगे? ठीक है, आप मैनेजर के अंडर काम बेसिकली कर रहे हो और आपसे सीनियर हु हैज डिफरेंट ओपिनियन फ्रॉम योर्स, हाउ विल यू टैकल दैट सिचुएशन? हाउ यू हैव यू मेंटर्ड और गाइडेड एनी जूनियर टीम मेंबर्स? ठीक है, हाउ डू हैंडल मिस्टेक्स योर वर्क एट योर वर्क प्लेस? यू कैन से कैसे आप टास्क को प्रायोरिटाइज करोगे? सो यस, दीज आर सम जेनरिक क्वेश्चन. आपने कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स टेक्निकल कंसेप्ट को एक्सप्लेन करना हो किसी नॉन टेक्निकल को, तो आप कैसे करेंगे? फीडबैक और क्रिटिसिज्म को कैसे हैंडल करेंगे आप? ठीक है. Then it comes to, I can say it out, what is the approach to collaborating with cross-functional team? That is something very very important. Then it comes to MSS India के core products and services बताइए, ठीक है, and what do you expect from this role in terms of learning and growth? How do you stay motivated during long projects? And yes, what are expectations from this job and company? Yeah. So yes, these are the some generic question basically talking about project service, like current projects, products and services. What do you know about this company? Why do you want to join? Right? And yes, what do you know about the growth, mission, vision, planning of this company? Right? Main competitors. So these are some generic question. Okay, that we have just discussed. So yes, this is all about MSS India Private Limited. So if you guys are also preparing for the interview of MSS India Private Limited, this particular video is going to help you out. Please make your notes as it will be more fruitful. But if you don't want to make it, this particular documentation is also going to help you out. You can download this documentation from your PDF panel, can read it out, and even it has been already shared with your dedicated WhatsApp groups. So yes, if you also want to practice for any kind of interview, Yourpedia is the biggest and the most authentic platform. Be with Yourpedia, and yes, you can have practice with HR sessions and mock sessions. All the very best. Good luck.